Hey everybody, it's Jeff back with KitterCards.com. Alright, we ran in the names and the teams. We've got the lineup set. There were no trades to speak of. So let's get going. It's situated over here. Good luck to everybody. Alright, let's go. Remember, we will random all the USA cards in the break to everybody in the break. If Kidder Cards comes out on top, we will give it to the first person below that. So you guys will get the USA cards. Also looking for black, finite 1 of 1, or the gold prisms, numbered to 10. Also looking for the refractor autos. Those are numbered to 25, I believe. And of course, they have the Elite Extra Edition cards randomly throughout this too. Some are autoed, some aren't. Make this pack childproof. I can't get it open. There we go. There's the first stack there. All right. Situated here. Here we go. All right. The rookie relevance. Brett Lowry. Toronto. Tyler Moore, rookie. Justin Verlander, USA card. Hold that one out. We'll random that one. Jared Parker, rookie. Tom Malone, rookie. Sir Camp, rookie for San Francisco. And here's a redemption. Looks like that's the White Sox, I believe. Chris Sale. Auto. Double check that real quick. Yes, that is the White Sox. The White Sox, Christopher W. Congratulations. Got the White Sox. Gets the Chris Sale redemption. Congrats. MVP David Price for Tampa Bay. Middlebrooks rookie. How about David Wright refractor for the Mets? Derek Jeter USA. Well, these are similar to the USAs we pulled the other night. We pulled both of those cards the other night in our first box break. Oh my. How about for the Braves, a Chipper Jones 1/1 black finite. Oh my goodness. Chipper Jones black finite 1/1. Going to the Atlanta Braves. Kidder Cards had the Braves. Man, if we'd have sold that slot, somebody else may have got the Braves. Wow. 1/1. Unbelievable. What a beautiful card. Can't ask for more than that out of a single box break. Pull a black finite 1/1. Mike Trout, Brilliance. Cespedes, Oakland. Marte with Pittsburgh. Justin Verlander, Dominance. Shin-Soo Choo, Cincinnati. And that's the first stack. Rookie relevance, Mike Trout. There's a Strasburg USA. We'll need to random. Do the random a little bit different tonight than we did the other night. How about a Joe Girardi auto? Manager for the New York Yankees. That's a pretty sweet looking auto right there. Yankees goes to Eric L. Eric L had the Yanks. Congratulations, Eric L with the Girardi auto. Will Myers, top prospects with Tampa Bay. Aaron Hill, MVP with Arizona. And Nirachika Aoki rookie with Milwaukee. All right, last stack of the box, guys. Appreciate everybody joining us. It's focused in here. There we go. The Mike Trout USA. Everybody's going to get a shot at. Sweet looking cards. Love these cards. A Ty Hensley prospect from Extra Edition. Going to New York. Looks like the Yankees based off the uniform. We'll double check those before we send them out. And refractor of Giovanni Gallardo with Milwaukee. Yu Darvish rookie. George Brett dominance. Cal Ripken Jr. Michael Taylor rookie for Oakland. And a Sergio Romo rookie with San Francisco. And that is all for this. Let's go back to the big pull, the 1 of 1 Chipper Jones for Atlanta. Black Finite Prism. Very cool. All right, guys, we've got, looks like 4 USA cards. We've got the Mike Trout, Strasburg, Jeter, and Verlander to random off. So give me just a second here. We'll stay live and recording, and I will set up the random, and then we'll go there. Actually, the easiest thing for me to do is just when I copy in, let's do this. All right. That's what I'm doing. All right, so we've got Verlander, Jeter, Strasburg, and Trout. All the USA cards. All right. So what we'll do is show you guys what we're going to do. I've got the list, Verlander, Jeter, Strasburg, and Trout in the order which we pulled them. I've got the names. I took Kidder cards out off the bottom, so these are all the names in the order in which they paid. Okay, so we're going to random each 5 times. The top 4 will get the cards. So good luck, guys. Christopher W., there's the top 4 after 1. Top 4 after 2. There they are, after 3. After 4, and let's see who's going to get these cards. We just don't know what order. Oh my, Matt P. dominating again. Look at this. After 5 times, Matt P. gets spot 1, 2, and 4. Matthew R. gets spot 3. All right, guys, let's go over here to the Verlander, Jeter, Strasburg, and Trout. We'll randomize those. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So Strasburg, Verlander, and Trout will go to Matt P. And Matthew R. will get Jeter. Congratulations, guys. Appreciate everybody coming out tonight. And we'll be right back.